Hey and hello from NCCR. We build 100% customizable cargo and adventure bikes here in the old Swedish province Hälsingland. Located in the middle of the forest, like 350 kilometers north of Stockholm, that's where Swedish Norrland starts. We have perfect development, production and testing condition just in front of our doors. That's a new 26-inch Gyttja, the down-to-earth Gyttja adventure bike. That's first choice if you look for an adventure overlander for bikepacking tours and you don't want to make any compromises regarding geometry or the components, because 100% customized at NCCR. We come originally from the manufacturing of motorcycle components like frames and race chassis. 2 years ago we started to develop our first electric assisted cargo bike called the Proprietary. All our bike got designed, cut, constructed and manufactured in-house here at NCCR in Docol Tube R8. It's a Swedish steel made by SSAB, and we TIG weld them for best quality results.